There was a day in my life, I was actually learning disabled, and back then it wasn't cool to be learning disabled. You just got put on in this other room with the kids that stabbed people. And I was 8 years old thinking, man, my life's going to go nowhere. I was playing in the mud, and it's funny, I still have it on my desk today. This is what I was playing with, this little toy 1979 Porsche, and the actual car drove by my house, which was uncommon being a poor kid. But I ran after the car and I chased it. And long story short, the person that was driving that car was a salesperson. They sold computers for Texas Instruments, took the time to talk to me for about an hour, changed my perspective on life, on sales, on being able to make money. I immediately started businesses, and by the time I was 16, had a business that was a kind of a household name. Not sure how old you are, Dan, but you might remember this. Car and Driver magazine, Playboy magazine, all the magazines back in the 80s, 90s. In the back, there was these government auction guides to buy cars at government auction. That was me at 16 years old. So I had started Quality Publishing. By the time I was 24, had 5 different businesses. And all of the things that I learned to be so successful at such a young age, and then through my corporate world, I've put into Easton University in our sales training. It's literally stuff that an 8-year-old could understand, that works. It's intuitive. It's psychologically, it makes sense. It's not, pushy, manipulative, or anything like that.